So I just got my exit stamp from Vietnam. Now I'm heading to Cambodia, which is that side. Voila! Welcome to Cambodia. As the fifth country over the land borders. So today is April 25th, 2019. Today is a very special day. I'm leaving Vietnam after almost 3 months. Yeah, on my last day I did wanted to have like something different experience. So I was in Ho Chi Minh. I sent a couch surfing request, and yeah, one of the locals of Vietnam, Harrison, he accepted my request. That's his family and him.
Hello.
So up to north.
Did it 3 times, but actually it's quite interesting for me to go into the north again. So if I have chance, I will go into the north again. I definitely love the roads. Follow the beach. That is nice.
So what I did just once, Harrison has already done it twice. I wish him all the best.
Thank you.
I'll see you again maybe.
See you.
See you.
Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
So while I was going through the highway towards the Bharat border, this is the place that I come across. You'll find most of the machinery parts around here and anything related to iron machinery. Like the same way we have in Delhi, you can find pretty much stuff around here. So they have plenty of cartridges and batteries around. You have big tools lying around here. All junk, all junk. Yeah, so this is the highway that connects, that will go further towards the Bharat border, which is the Cambodian border with Vietnam. We're gonna see how to cross with the motorbike. So this is pretty interesting, that's why I stopped. This is again machinery, but you see, these have been used in the war. Cartridges 200, 7.2, 7.62 mm. Yeah, these are probably the bomb shells, the cartridges used in the war. This is for like this. Wow. 42M. Bullet? Okay. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff they have. Oh, I have this one. Chhatrapati Ganesh. These are the things used in the war. This is towards the Bharat border. You're gonna see we are going to a new country and a new border. I'm finally heading to the border, and one of the biggest mistakes I didn't exchange my money. So I've been to Agri Bank, Vietnam Bank, Simcom Bank, all the banks that I've been, nobody is exchanging the money. The only thing that I can think about right now is people coming from Cambodia and they would have dollars. So I can give them Vietnamese dong and buy US dollars from them, because most of the people they use US dollars in Cambodia. So that's my best bet. I'm gonna stick to it, just gonna go to the border and see if it works out. My visa expires tomorrow, so I'm in a pretty bad situation if I do not exchange my money today. So I just got my exit stamp from Vietnam. Now I'm heading to Cambodia, which is that side. And let's just see, I'm going with my motorbike and see how it works. Yes. Come on. Thank you. And we just crossed the borders along with my motorbike. Voila. Yeah, what you pay is $30 to enter for a 30-day visa. No questions asked. You don't need anything else, just a photograph. And like, look at me. My appearance has totally changed. And my photographs, it's like 7 months old and they don't care. So yes, I was very pissed off that I didn't exchange the money and you know how I'm gonna travel and stuff like that. The moment I got to the border, people are there. So that's about it. I'm just gonna go to Phnom Phen right now, out there. It's maybe around 150 kilometers from here. And yeah, we're gonna take it from there. Welcome to Cambodia. They have pretty much casinos around here. Motorbike casino. You have casino everywhere out there. Crown Plaza and casino. Wow, I didn't know you can play poker and stuff around here. This place is for people who want to gamble. Voila! Welcome to Cambodia. As the 5th country over the land borders. Yeah, I'm pretty much enjoying it. This is the first time I motorbiked all across Vietnam and then, you know, motorbiking again in Cambodia. Enjoy Cambodia. So now I'm gonna head to Phnom Phen. I was just checking how much did I ride in Vietnam, and it turned out to be 5,300 kilometers. My bike says 62223, and I bought the bike at 56,884. Like, you see here, on 6th February I got it at 56,884, and this says 62,223. 5,300 plus kilometers I rode all across Vietnam. Voila, nice. Let's see how much we gonna ride in Cambodia. 5,000 kilometers. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? It's a wonderful experience. You may want to try. One down, one more to go. So it's about time I should get refueled. It's $0.92 for a liter. Everything mentioned out there is in liters, so I got 4 dollars of fuel, which is 4 liters and 350 ml. I should have stopped by and captured the first sunset. What do you say? Yeah, the sun is about to set. I should have stopped by at some place. $1. Thank you. How do you say thank you in Akon? Akon. Akon. Nice. Akon. It's almost 11:30 right now. I arrived pretty much late in Phnom Phen yesterday. It was almost 8:30 and I got to 19 Backpackers Hostel. It's one of the economic hostels that you can get. I'm paying so $2.50 gets you this bed, just one bathroom out there, just one AC for this entire. Last night I was really sweating. So today I woke up, I was really lazy. I wasn't sure what to do. I'm thinking what to do because there's not much to do in Phnom Penh. I just go take my bike and go to the countryside. Whenever I come back, I come back. Yeah, let's just go down. I'm not leaving today. So again, gonna stay for a night. Lazy day. There you go.
Thank you.
Do you have any maps that I can?
We are right now researching in the middle of 136, 144 right now. We are done.
Here we are.
Yes, sir. This is like the National Museum.
Uh-huh.
Road Palace, Bharat, Cambodia, Vietnam Monument, or Independent Monument. Walk from like the new capital city, Phnom Penh, Central Market, Supermarket, Bharat, free entry to get inside, Riverside Bar, restaurant, everything too. The bridge, they got like Japanese bridge or Chinese bridge too up there. It's very good location for you also down here that you can hang around to visit it, get some more fresh air, and good location also like chill and quiet.
And good for sunset?
Yes. If you stand up like middle of like the bridge, so beautiful for landscape also and sunset as well and evening that you can see around in Phnom Penh.
Okay.
And this is like any story of Khmer killing the people inside the jail. It's called like the Ep.1 Museum or like the kind of place outside of town.
That's out of town.
Yes,
And this much
town.
is pretty much in the town. Is it all walkable?
You can walk in this tent in this common area and also in that. It's not so far, about like 15 minutes.
I think I'm gonna walk today, save some fuel. Alright, thank you my friend.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So it's April 26, 2019 and I'm in Cambodia, Phnom Penh. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm feeling really hungry. So I'm just gonna go find some food. Here it says we have a vegan restaurant around here. I'm just trying to find out how much it's gonna cost me because generally you can find food for $1, $1.50. Everything paid out here is in dollars. Real is something that they do not much use. This looks expensive to me, right behind me. So definitely it's not gonna be $1 food around there. So I'm just gonna move ahead, trying to find out some cheap food for myself. Not cheap in quality, but cheap in price. I just found myself $1 food and I've just ordered it. It's non-veg along with rice, and what they generally offer you is, as I say, so that's what you get in $1. Finished with the food. Thank you. So I'm just gonna go to Circle K, the same they have in Vietnam. I'm gonna check out what you can buy. Hi. So we're in Circle K. Let's just find out. 50 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, $10 for the bottle. You have earplugs, $2.50, 2.8. Charger for $19. Oh, that's for iPhone. Toothbrush is expensive, 85 cents, $1.15. Mark III, $4.45. Tonic water, 50 cents. Pantene shampoo, $4.15. Milk, we have $2.45. Okay, this chop is $1. Wow, expensive. Because I need to buy this one. How much is this for?
So this
2,000?
100 please.
2,100. Oh wow, you have 100 as well. So the one that you see behind me, Naga word, and out here also Naga word. These are the casinos. I just went inside. It was, you can just go in there, you can play poker, you can play different stuff. I don't play. I was trying to record inside. The lady said I can record in the common area. Now the playing, outside. But yeah, the security came, they watched the video and asked me to delete it. Most of the things out there are in Chinese and Cambodian. It was real hot in the afternoon, so I couldn't go out. Now as I see the city, it's really beautiful. It's all lightened up. Every place, it's like you don't believe that you're actually in Cambodia, one of the poor countries all around Southeast Asia. Okay, it's just almost hit. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go this way towards the seaside and then go towards the hostel, have some food around. You guys are really great, watching my videos. I don't think my videos are really great because I just shoot out of a GoPro, no heavy equipment, but your support is tremendous. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much for sticking around and yeah, being a part of the family. Rolls Royce, you see? That's what we are talking.